Hey guys, Kaylee from Midland. I'm going to show you how to put together, wear, and use our ClipTalk wearable walkie-talkie. Each ClipTalk comes with a wearable radio, comfort over-the-ear earpiece, and a shirt clip. A surveillance-style security headset is also available as a separate accessory. To turn the radio on, hold the menu button for 3 seconds. The screen displays the channel and battery meter. The ClipTalk radio features a rotating 360-degree alligator clip, allowing you to easily attach it to your shirt. The Comfort earpiece is designed to just sit in front of your ear canal, allowing you to hear communications while still being aware of your surroundings. The earpiece rotates 180 degrees, allowing it to be worn on either ear. The C-shaped hook should lay naturally behind your ear. If you like a cleaner cable layout, the cord can also be led behind the head and worn on the opposite ear. Use the shirt clip to secure excess cable and keep it out of the way. ClipTalk has 10 volumes. Use the plus and minus buttons to find the volume that's comfortable for you. The beep adjusts with the volume level. To change channels, press and hold either the plus or minus button for 3 to 5 seconds until you find your desired channel. To communicate, press and hold the push to talk button while speaking. Let go of the button when you're finished. Your ClipTalk is ready to use. If you need extra support, accessories, or help with setup, please contact your ClipTalk representative or our customer service team.